And this dog goes crazy now open this watch. Follow. Get take off. You got ya. He's going. Oh my god. He is actually laying down. Oh my goodness, girl. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. He's freaking out. He's freaking out. He lost his mind. He has lost his mind. AJ. Oh, I need some shoes on. Hey guys, I just have to go get some shoes on. Oh my gosh. Oh, crazy. Calm down. Follow. Now. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. He moved that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's a bunny. Oh my gosh. What did you do? Oh my. I'm grabbing gum. I need to touch you. I'm going home. It's going crazy. I need to ask you a question. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna let him off this leash and see where he goes. Come here. Come here. Wait, no, I should not. Follow. Come on. Follow. I don't know what this dog is doing. I don't know. He is so much excited. Oh, Follow. What's he doing? Oh, he's about to choke himself. He's gonna choke. Oh! He's gonna choke himself crazy, y'all. Calm down. I'm friendly. Come on, Milo. Let's go home. Let's go home. Okay, guys. I know you can't see nothing, but watch when I take him in and just see what happens. Here, Milo. Milo, do your thing. Come on. Come on. Kill me. He's going crazy, y'all. What the heck? He's laying down. Oh, I gotta do this. I'm going. Hi, Milo. Hi, Milo. What did you eat? Oh yeah, he ate pizza. He's trying to attack me. I'm going to try to go inside, guys. I'll see you guys next episode.